Okay, today we're gonna try Smokey Eye. I've got 3 darkish colors, technically 2. Well, I don't know. I guess I could say 4 because I could do a green, but those 3 right there, you could definitely do a nice smoky, especially that one too. We're gonna do that one first today. So that's gonna be our smoky. I've already got my primer on. Now that I'm done watching it. See, it goes on pretty good. Remember, always blend. Because I have hooded eyes, I don't necessarily always put on eyeliner. I mean, I do have eyeliner, and I can put it on, but you put it on from like here to here. Never start from here to here with hooded eyes. And that's why I always see my eyebrows up. The color, but I don't know. Okay, the eyeliner made it feel better. It's much like raccoon, come in here. Now I need some eyeliner. Yes. Okay. Defiance beauty. I think I'm running out. I do love me some eyeliner. I need to do these eyebrows. See the difference? Brows really make a difference. But really much. Yeah. Like, where is it? Where'd it go? I put this. Yes, I do. Yes. Okay, so since it's summertime, my concealer's a bit too light for me. Don't forget the contour. Also, a tip for contour, go up. Don't drag it down. Go up. If you drag it down. You're gonna get a drag down face. It'll drag your, you know? I haven't done this to my face in a while. I miss it. Okay. Here we go. This is a full face.